In this lesson, we will learn how to get the derivatives, specifically using the chain rule. The chain rule is written up here. It's f prime of x equals f prime g of x, g prime of x. It looks really complicated, but all it's saying is get the derivative of the outside, keep the inside the same, and then get the derivative of the inside. That's basically all it's saying. So let's look at an example. We're going to differentiate this in terms of x. So I can write here, I'll write y prime, which is the same thing as saying dy dx, equals, I need to get the derivative of the outside. I will do that by bringing the 2 to the front, keep the inside part or the part in parentheses the same, and then you're going to subtract 1 from your power. So 2 minus 1 is 1. We don't normally write a 1 there, so I'm just going to leave that. But you have to get the derivative of what is inside your parentheses. So I'm going to open parentheses, and now I'm going to get the derivative of this. This would be considered my g of x. The derivative of 3x is 3. So here we have 1 minus 1 is 0, so the x goes away. The derivative of 1 is 0, so I don't even need that. Now I just need to simplify this. I have 2 times 3 is 6. And then I'm going to go ahead and distribute that 6. 6 times 3x is 18x. 6 times 1 is 6. Or I could have just left it like this. Either one of these are right. I didn't have to distribute. Let's do another example. For this one, this is my g and the outside's my f. So let's get started. So I have my y prime will equal, bring that 1/2 to the front, keep the inside part the same, and then I'm supposed to take this exponent and subtract 1. 1/2 minus 1. This is the same thing as saying 1/2 minus 2 over 2, which is a negative 1/2. So right here, I have a negative 1/2. And then I have to get the derivative of the inside part. So here you bring the 3 to the 2. 3 times 2 is 6x. Subtract 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, so that's 6x squared. The 1 will become 0. And then here, bring this power in the front. 5 times negative 7 is negative 35x to the 4th. Now we just need to clean this up. So I have 1/2. This negative exponent, I can bring it all down here. Remember, the negative exponent rule says that if you have a negative, you can move it, and then it'll make your exponent a positive. So I'm going to bring the whole term down. And then now it's going to become a positive 1/2. Here, this is going to stay on top. So honestly, I don't even need this 1, so I'll just write over it. So I have 6x squared minus 35x to the 4th. And that would be your final answer.